All right, it is 9:30 on Monday night. I am reading, well, let me see, actually, I'm drinking hot chocolate, sitting with the pup, and I'm reading Frieda McFadden, The Boyfriend. I'm about 200 pages in. I'm definitely gonna finish this tonight. So excited, so let's just get right on into it. Okay, I don't want to do spoilers on this channel because that's just not my vibe. I don't want to hear spoilers, so I don't want to give them. But I'm on chapter 34 of this book. Damn. I think I can predict this one, but I don't know. It's Frieda, so probably not. All right, I'm in the pickup line, not moving. I've got my book in my hand. I thought I was gonna finish it last night, but I ended up falling asleep. So disappointing. I have about 100 pages left. I'm on page 251, chapter 45. It's like getting so good. I love it. I definitely want to finish this tonight. I have a friend that wants to borrow it, so goals. We've got goals here. Home. My son is taking a bath because he has a giant blister. So I'm going to read while he does that. Let's see what we can get through. I'm on page 252. Let's go. I have less than 60 pages. Oh my God. Things are starting to really come together now or fall apart, however you want to see it. And oh my God. Frieda. Now let's just see if I actually have predicted what the outcome is. You know, I really thought I had this one. I really, in my head, was like, oh, this is it. I get it. I'm gonna blow it out of the water. I had this big, elaborate twist in my head. And I was like, man, I finally got her. No. Frieda! How do you do it? I just don't get it. I just want to be in your brain. But I also love that I can't predict them because that's what makes it such a great book. You cannot predict her twists. You just can't. And I love her for it. I really do. So do I recommend this one? Yes. 5 stars for sure. 100%. I'm going to go lend this to my friend now because she's dying to read it. And what can I say? Do you have a favorite Frieda book? Put it down in the comments down below. I can't wait to hear what you have. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Bye.